Hi everyone, and welcome back to Bukola Naturals and DIY's channel. My name is Bukola. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a simple emulsified scalp sugar scrub. Exfoliating the scalp at least twice a month can be very beneficial for a healthy scalp, and using a scrub for your scalp can help remove dead skin cells from the scalp to increase the circulation of blood flow in the scalp to help promote hair growth. So the ingredients I'll be using to make this sugar scrub, sugar, obviously. I'll be using brown sugar. Sugar is a great natural exfoliator and it is so gentle on the skin. You can use either granulated sugar or brown sugar, but I'll be using brown sugar for this recipe. I'll also be using coffee ground for this recipe. Coffee contains beneficial properties that can help prevent water loss. The caffeine in coffee stimulates hair growth and also helps prevent water loss, transepidermal water loss. So when you apply this mixture to your hair, it's going to help improve blood circulation that will promote a healthy hair growth. I'll also be using shea butter, cocoa butter, fractionated coconut oil, grapeseed oil, emulsifying wax, cetyl alcohol, preservative, which is optifen, vitamin E, essential oils, and calendula extract. But I'm going to explain the amount I'll be using for this recipe, and I'll also be explaining the function of each ingredient. So I'm going to start by adding 15 grams of shea butter. Shea butter softens and moisturizes the hair. Shea butter is one of my favorite butters. Contains a lot of beneficial properties for the hair. So the next ingredient I'll be adding is cocoa butter. Cocoa butter deeply nourishes the hair. It protects the hair and it's so good for dry and damaged hair. So for this recipe, I'll be using 12.5 grams of cocoa butter. The next ingredient I'm using is one of my favorite oils as well, which is grapeseed oil. Grapeseed oil is high in linoleic acid. It contains nutrients that promote healthy hair growth. Grapeseed oil contains antiseptic properties that help in cleaning the pores on the scalp, which helps in also balancing the sebum, which is the oil production. I'll also be adding 25 grams of fractionated coconut oil. It is a light oil. It's easily absorbed into the hair shaft. It's a natural remedy for dry, brittle, and damaged hair. Coconut oil is so good for dry hair, and even when you use fractionated coconut oil, it still works perfectly for dry hair as well. So the reason we call this emulsified sugar scrub is because of the addition of an emulsifying wax. So what this does is to give this scrub a creamy emulsification. So this will make the scrub spread easily. So you can use any emulsifying wax of your choice, and this contains conditioning properties that will help the scalp and that will also help condition the hair. The next ingredient is cetyl alcohol, guys. So cetyl alcohol contains moisturizing properties. It stabilizes emulsions and also works as a thickener. So cetyl alcohol is going to stabilize our emulsifier, and it's also going to help thicken the scrub. So what I'm going to do right now is to melt this ingredient in a water bath on a low heat. So this is going to take about almost 20 minutes. So while I'm waiting for my oil face to heat, I'm going to measure out my essential oils. I'll be using jasmine essential oil, patchouli essential oil, and spearmint essential oil. So I'm going to leave the amount of essential oils I'll be using on the screen. So they all contain beneficial properties for the hair. You can make your researches before adding your own essential oil. You can add any essential oil of your choice. You can add lavender essential oil, you can add peppermint, you can add clary sage, sandalwood. There are lots of beneficial essential oils that you can use for the scrub. The next ingredient I'm adding is vitamin E. So vitamin E is an antioxidant and it's going to protect the oils we've added into this mixture from rancidity. I'll also be adding 2.5 grams of optifen, which is a broad spectrum preservative. Normally anhydrous products, that's products which are oil based, do not need preservatives, but to avoid contamination with water, which can lead to the growth of mold and yeast, I'll be adding it for 50 reasons. And guys, I'll also be adding 2.5 grams of calendula oil-based extract. Is a flower that has a strong anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and antiseptic properties that will help the skin to repair and to heal as well. So now that all my ingredients have melted, I am blending with a stick blender to allow it to thicken, and I'm also going to leave it to cool and wait till it thickens. So as you can see right now, guys, our mixture has thickened. So what I'm gonna do right now is to add the cool down ingredients, this to add the preservative, to add the vitamin E, add the essential oils, and also add the calendula extracts. And it's also time to add the coffee grounds. I'm gonna mix it together, and after mixing together, I'm gonna add our sugar. So right now, guys, I'm gonna give the sugar scrub some time to firm up. As you can see, the viscosity is so thin, so we're gonna give it time to firm up. So guys, this is like about 24 hours later. This is the next day. As you can see, the mixture has thickened up. It's thicker than it was before. So what I'm gonna do right now is to put it in a sanitized jar. Guys, now it's time to exfoliate my scalp. So I rinsed my hair, and I already towel dried it. So what I'm going to do right now is to pour it into this container, because I don't want to touch it with my hands. So I'm going to put it into this container, and I'm going to take it from there. So right now I'm gonna apply the mixture on my scalp, then I start exfoliating. So I'm just gonna stay on the scalp, and I'm not just gonna put it in on my head. So this is just for the scalp. So I'll just start scrubbing my scalp. So after exfoliating my scalp, I'm gonna wash my hair with a moisturizing shampoo, because you don't want to use a harsh shampoo to wash your hair, because it's not going to make sense. So I'm going to use a moisturizing shampoo and also deep condition my hair. So now I'm done washing my hair, guys. Now I'm done washing. What I'm gonna do right now is to apply my leave-in conditioner and just put my hair in protective style. So this sugar scrub is so good for greasy hair, is good for dry and damaged hair. If you have a itchy scalp, it's good as well. If you have products build up, it's so good. So it really helps you deep clean your hair. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section. Like this video, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.